Stop sign. This requires a complete stop at the limit line or crosswalk. Check for clear traffic and pedestrians before proceeding. Yield sign. Slow down and give the right-of-way to other traffic or pedestrians. Stop completely if necessary before proceeding. Speed limit sign. This sets the maximum legal speed under ideal conditions. Drive slower if weather or road conditions are poor. No U-turn sign. U-turns are strictly prohibited here. Reversing direction is unsafe and could cause collisions with oncoming traffic. Straight through only sign. Traffic in this lane must go straight. Turning left or right is illegal. Left turn only sign. Traffic in this lane must turn left. Going straight or turning right is illegal. No left turn sign. Turning left is prohibited here to manage traffic flow and prevent accidents. Tow-away zone sign. Parking here is strictly prohibited. Violators will be towed at their own expense. Do not enter sign. Do not enter. You are facing the exit of a one-way street or ramp, and entering will cause a head-on collision. No right turn sign. Turning right is illegal at this intersection to prevent collisions or wrong-way driving. Continue straight or turn left instead. One-way, left arrow, sign. Traffic flows only in the direction of the arrow. Driving the opposite way is illegal. Right turn only sign. Traffic in this lane must turn right. Going straight or turning left is illegal. Wrong way sign. You are driving against the flow of traffic. Pull over and turn around immediately. No stopping sign. You may not stop your vehicle here for any reason, even briefly. Keep moving. No waiting sign. You may not wait or idle your vehicle here. Keep moving or drop off passengers quickly. Keep right sign. Keep to the right of the upcoming traffic island, median, or obstruction. One way, right arrow, sign. Traffic flows only in the direction of the arrow. Driving the opposite way is illegal. Divided highway begin sign. The road is splitting into two separate roadways. Keep to the right of the upcoming median or barrier. Divided highway end sign. The divided highway is ending. You will soon face two-way traffic separated only by lines. No parking sign. Parking your vehicle here is strictly prohibited. You may be fined or towed. Two-way traffic sign. You are entering a two-way road and will face oncoming traffic. Stay strictly to the right of the center line. Merge sign. Two lanes are combining into one. Adjust your speed to merge smoothly with other traffic without stopping. Lane ends merge sign. Your lane is ending ahead. Merge into the adjacent lane before the lane disappears. Added lane sign. A new lane is opening up for entering traffic. Merging is not immediately required as traffic streams do not cross. Road narrow sign. The road narrows ahead, but the number of lanes remains the same. Use caution and stay centered in your lane. Narrow bridge sign. The bridge ahead is narrower than the road. Slow down and be prepared to yield to oncoming traffic. Roundabout sign. A roundabout is ahead. Slow down and yield to traffic already in the circle before entering. Yield sign ahead sign. A yield sign is ahead. Prepare to slow down and check for cross traffic. Curve left sign. The road curves sharply to the left. Slow down to maintain control and stay in your lane. Traffic light ahead sign. A traffic light is ahead. Be prepared to slow down and stop if the signal turns red. Stop sign ahead sign. A stop sign is coming up. Begin slowing down and prepare to stop completely. Y intersection sign. The road splits into two directions forming a Y shape. Choose your lane early and follow the appropriate path. Side road sign. Another road joins from the side. Watch for entering traffic and be ready to adjust your speed. Winding road sign. A series of sharp curves is ahead. Slow down significantly to maintain vehicle control. Roundabout circulation sign. Traffic circulates counterclockwise in the roundabout. Yield to vehicles already inside before entering. Speed limit ahead sign. A speed limit sign is coming up. Be prepared to adjust your speed to the posted limit. Curve right sign. The road curves sharply to the right. Slow down to maintain control and stay in your lane. T intersection sign. The road you are on ends ahead. Prepare to stop and turn left or right. Crossroad sign. Another road crosses your path ahead. Be alert for cross traffic and be prepared to yield. Reverse curve sign. The road curves sharply first in one direction, then immediately in the opposite direction. Slow down significantly. Hairpin curve sign. An extremely sharp U-shaped turn is ahead. Reduce speed drastically to safely navigate the curve. Chevron alignment sign. Yellow arrows that guide drivers through sharp curves, pointing in the direction of the turn. Hill, bike, sign. A steep hill is ahead. Cyclists should be aware of the challenging climb or descent. Steep grade hill sign. A steep downgrade is ahead. Truckers and motorists should shift to a lower gear to avoid brake failure. Slippery when wet sign. The road becomes slick and dangerous during rain. Reduce your speed and avoid sudden braking to maintain control. Crosswind sign. Strong side winds are common in this area. Grip the steering wheel firmly and be prepared for sudden gusts. Falling rocks sign. Rocks may fall onto the road from the hillside. Stay alert and be prepared to avoid debris. Truck rollover warning sign. Sharp curves ahead pose a rollover risk for trucks and top-heavy vehicles. Reduce speed significantly. School zone sign. You are near a school. Slow down to the posted limit and watch carefully for children walking or biking near the road. School bus stop ahead sign. A school bus stop is ahead. Be prepared to stop for children and flashing red bus lights. School speed limit ahead sign. A reduced speed limit for school zones is coming up. Slow down during posted hours when children are present. Pedestrian crossing sign. Watch for pedestrians crossing the street. Slow down and be prepared to stop for anyone stepping off the curb. No all-terrain vehicle sign. ATVs and off-road vehicles are prohibited from using this road. Do not drive on track sign. Do not drive your vehicle on railroad tracks. Cross only at designated crossings. Double side road sign. Roads join from both sides ahead. Watch for traffic entering from the left and right. Railroad crossing ahead sign. Train tracks are ahead. Listen carefully and look both ways for approaching trains before crossing. No bicycle sign. Bicycles are prohibited from using this road due to safety concerns or high-speed traffic. Truck height limit sign. This shows the maximum safe height for passing under an upcoming bridge. Tall vehicles must take a detour. Weight limit sign. Vehicles exceeding the posted weight limit are prohibited due to bridge or road structural limits. Bicycles merging sign. Cyclists may be merging onto the roadway ahead. Watch for bikes and share the road safely. Worker sign. Road workers or construction crews are ahead. Slow down and watch for lane shifts or stop traffic. Bicycle lane end sign. The dedicated bike lane is ending. Cyclists will merge into regular traffic lanes. National Network Route Sign. This route is part of the national network for commercial vehicles carrying hazardous materials. No pedestrian sign. Pedestrians are prohibited from walking on this road due to high-speed traffic or lack of sidewalks. Offset side road sign. Roads join from both sides but are not directly across from each other. Watch for staggered intersections. No truck sign. Heavy trucks are prohibited from using this road due to weight limits or noise restrictions. Low clearance sign. The overhead clearance is limited. Tall vehicles may not fit and must take an alternate route. Flagger ahead sign. A person is manually directing traffic ahead. You must strictly obey their hand signals and signs. Forest route sign. This road leads into a forest area. Be prepared for narrow roads and wildlife. Interior lane shift sign. Traffic lanes shift position ahead. Stay alert and follow pavement markings to stay in your lane. Exit speed advisory sign. Advises the safest maximum speed for driving on an exit ramp. Ramp speed advisory sign. Advises the safest maximum speed for driving on an entrance or exit ramp. Interstate route marker sign. Identifies an interstate highway route number for navigation purposes. U.S. route marker sign. Identifies a U.S. highway route number for navigation purposes. State route marker sign. Identifies a state highway route number for navigation purposes. County route marker sign. Identifies a county road route number for navigation purposes. Parking area sign. A designated parking area is ahead where you can safely park your vehicle. Handicap accessible sign. Parking here is strictly reserved for vehicles with a valid disability placard. Violators will be fined or towed. Hospital sign. A hospital is nearby. This sign guides drivers to the emergency room or medical care. Gasoline sign. A gas station is ahead where you can refuel your vehicle. Electric vehicle charging sign. An electric vehicle charging station is available ahead. Food sign. Restaurants or food services are available ahead. Lodging sign. Hotels or motels are available ahead for overnight stays. Airport sign. An airport is nearby. Follow signs for departures, arrivals, or parking. Bus station sign. A bus terminal or station is ahead where you can catch public transportation. Train station sign. A train station is nearby where you can board passenger trains. Bike route sign. This route is designated for bicycle travel with appropriate infrastructure. National Network Prohibited sign. Commercial vehicles carrying hazardous materials are prohibited from this route. Deer crossing sign. Deer are active in this area and may suddenly run onto the road. Drive cautiously and be ready to brake. Bear crossing sign. Bears may cross the road in this area. Drive carefully and watch for wildlife. Wild horse sign. Wild horses may be on or near the road. Slow down and give them space. Farm vehicle sign. Farm equipment may be crossing or traveling on the road ahead. Be prepared to slow down. Snowmobile sign. Snowmobiles may be crossing the road. Watch for them, especially in winter months. Motorcycle sign. This area is popular with motorcyclists. Watch for bikes and share the road safely. Hazardous material route sign. This route is designated for vehicles transporting hazardous materials. Hazardous material prohibited sign. Vehicles carrying hazardous materials are prohibited from using this route. No passing zone sign. Overtaking other vehicles is unsafe and illegal in this zone due to limited visibility. Double lane shift sign. Two lanes shift position simultaneously. Stay alert and follow lane markings carefully. Single lane shift sign. 1 traffic lane shifts position ahead. Follow pavement markings to stay in your lane. No U-turn or left turn sign. Both U-turns and left turns are prohibited here. Continue straight or turn right instead.
That's 100 road signs, done. If this helped, like and subscribe. Comment the most confusing sign, drive safe, and see you next time. Car.